Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mansi. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you this very pretty cut crease golden glittery eyes makeup tutorial. This is a very appropriate look for Karwachauth or Diwali festivals or any festival occasions coming ahead. I have paired this look with some nice earrings and a beautiful pink sari. All the products will be listed in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started. Before starting my makeup, I already moisturized my face using the Pack Moisture Lotion. Now for the primer, I'm using my trusty NYX Angel Veil Primer and I'm going to fill my pores with it so that my makeup looks long lasting. Now for the foundation, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This is for foundation which photographs really nicely, and to blend that out, I'm using the Wet n Wild foundation brush first. This will give me the full coverage look, and then I will use my damp beauty sponge to blend it out further so there is no streakiness. For concealing and highlighting, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead and my jawline. I use a lighter shade so that my face looks very 3D and not one-toned. It gives a very highlighted look, and I'm using my Pack Ultimate Sponge to blend out the concealers, and this will look very flawless, guys. To prep my eyelids for eyeshadow, I'm using some concealer on my eyelids as a base for that flawless eyeshadow application. Now for setting my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. This is my new favorite powder, guys, and I'm almost setting my whole face with that damp beauty sponge. This will give a more airbrush look and my makeup will not move from its place throughout the day. I'm also setting my eyelids with the same powder. For brows, I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ash Brown, and I'm creating gentle strokes on my eyebrows to make it look fuller. For the bronzer, I'm using the NYX Matte Bronzer, and this is a very good and pigmented, nicely rich formulated bronzer. I really love this. And with the same bronzer, I'm going to contour my nose a little bit with this Jessup flat brush. For the rosy cheeks, I'm using the Sivanna Ultra Blush palette and mixing some of the shades to create a very nice blush on my face. I'm using some translucent powder under my eyes in case there is any fallout from the eyeshadows. For my transition shade, I'm using the Morphe 39E palette, and I'm using that shade on my entire crease using the Pack 392 brush, and I'm blending it out very nicely. I'm taking a clean blending brush and blending it out further. Now I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palette in Rose in the Air using that pink shade, and I'm intensifying my crease color using the Pack 374 brush, and this will make sure that I get a very nice look with the cut crease. Blending it out with a clean brush again. Now I'm using the Elegant Pro Conceal with a flat brush from Jessup brushes, and I'm going to cut my crease, almost creating a half semicircle. Now I'm using that lilac shade from the same palette using a synthetic brush, and I'm covering all over my lid. Now for the fun part, I'm using the Meilin Gold Liner, and I'm almost cutting my crease with that liner. It's so beautiful and pretty. It adds an oomph to the look without doing so much, and I really love this. Now for the eyeliner, I'm using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner in the shade Black. Now I'm going to brush off any baggage which was sitting under my eyes. Now for the lower lash line, I'm using that same pink shade and I'm blending it out in my lower lash line. I'm using this Pack eyeliner in the shade Nude to open up my eyes even further. Now to prep my lashes, I'm first curling them up, and I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, coating my upper and bottom lashes, and then I will add some false lashes off camera. To line my lips, I'm first adding a lip liner. This is a Nykaa Lipstone Line in the shade Dirty Secret. And to fill my lips in, I'm using the shade Pop of Pink from the Maybelline Color Sensational Creamy Matte Lipsticks. To set my face, I'm using the Pack Micro Makeup Fixer all over my face. Now for the highlighter, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate on the highest points of my face, like my cheekbones, my nose and my chin a little bit. that's it for the makeup look, guys. I went ahead and curled my hair off camera. I really liked how this look turned out at the end. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss out on such videos. Please press the bell icon in case you want to get notified for my future uploads. You can also follow me on my every social media. Every link will be in the description box as always. So that's it for today, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.